Another way to help boost performance on your laptop or desktop that's Windows is going to the Windows Start menu and searching up Power Plan. And this should pop up, Edit Power Plan. This will be in your control panel, but you can also search it from here. You can also click Choose a Power Plan. Both of these will take you to relatively the same place. We're going to click Edit Power Plan here though. So we open this, and then we're just going to go back one in our directory to Power Options. And it will be different if you have an Intel system, but for me, I have AMD Ryzen, so I am using AMD Ryzen High Performance. So we have all of these additional power plans, and what these all are, to my knowledge, are basically the same. What is really the difference is when you go into change power settings for whichever one you want to edit. I'm going to edit the AMD Ryzen TM High Performance, so I'm going to go change plan settings, and then we get this. This doesn't really matter. We want to go into change advanced power settings. Once we are in here, we can see that we are in our AMD Ryzen High Performance active, or you will be in whatever mode or whichever portion you would like, whatever profile you would like. I'm in high performance, and now we will look at some things. This hard disk doesn't really matter. What we need to look at is the processor power management. If we click this and click minimum process state, we want this to be 100%. I think laptops have a setting where it will say while charging or while not charging. And if you want the best performance, you want this to always be 100%. The system cooling policy, you want it to be active. To change these values, we just click these right here, like that. Some have drop-down menus and some will have these arrows to change it. You also want to click maximum processor state, and this should be at 100%. Once we're done with all of this, we can click apply. Mine are already at max, so I'm not going to apply anything. And then we could just minimize that. And then that is really all we need to do. If we click on all of these, you can see that they just give us other options. And for USB settings, power management, we have sleep, hibernate. I don't really adjust these except for this one, wireless adapter settings. This is another one we want to adjust. We want to set this for maximum performance instead of low power saving, medium power saving, maximum power saving. Unless you really care about energy, then you might want to turn all of these down, but we care about performance here. So we are just looking at maximum performance in our wireless adaptive settings, and then make sure that's maximum performance. And then we want to go into our processor power management right here. These are the two that we want to click: processor power manager and wireless adaptive settings. Once we max these all out, then we should theoretically be getting our max performance from our control panel in this power options. When we're done with this, we would click apply, okay, and then exit out of that, and then we should be good from here. Laptops will probably notice a significant dip in their battery life, but that's okay because we favor performance always.